Okay, in this video, we will be going over passing, failing, passing after repair, and not inspecting a device. We're going to pick on this very first one. I've already pre-answered all these questions. Let's say we did a bulk answer, we answered everything. Now we want to go back and make changes. So I'm going to go into where it says 9 of 9 on my battery at the top there. I'm going to select the 9 of 9 icon there. I'm going to scroll down. I've got visual, batteries less than 5 years past. Oh, but wait a minute. There it says 3 of 2015. That manufacturer's date code is a failure. So I'm going to go up to the top here. I'm going to select where it says batteries less than 5 years. Instead of pass, I'm going to fail that. Okay, now I'm going to hit the back arrow top left. And this device, I'm going to change it to failure by selecting over next to where it says 9 of 9 in the white space. I'm going to grab that and select fail. It's going to ask me now, why did it fail? I'm going to say visual failure, expired date code. Okay, I'm going to hit apply at the top right. Now, if I had a photo, if I want to take a picture of the expired date code, or if the batteries failed for another reason, whether they were corroded or something, I could add a photo at this point too. But for now, I'm going to hit apply for my visual failure. And it throws that over into my failed bucket at the top right. You see the failed bucket there. I'll select on that. And there's my battery failed 4 seconds ago. Now, I have batteries in my truck, so I'm going to go ahead and replace these batteries. I replace them, I retest them, and I go back into next to where it says 9 of 9. I select my finger in there. Now I've got 2 options, or 3 options actually. Cannot inspect, undo, or pass after repair. Undo will undo my answer and throw it back into the to-do list. But what I want to do is pass after repair in the green there. So I'm going to select pass after repair. And it's now going to ask me, how did you fix this issue? I'm going to put down, I'm going to use my voice to do this. Now I've got replaced batteries, 2. I want to go up here and edit that maybe. Put a hyphen in there. 12 volt, 12 amp hour batteries, retested batteries, select done and select confirm. Now you notice my failed bucket is empty. My passed bucket has devices all passed. Let's take a look at those batteries. And there it is at the bottom there. Passed after repair 8 seconds ago. We're all good now, right? Now we're going to do one more thing. We're going to go into the, let's go into the AHU shutdown. And we'll just say that we couldn't test the AHU shutdown. So we're going to go into here to the white space next to where it says passed 16 minutes ago. We're going to go back into that white space. I'm going to put undo. I want to undo that question. That's going to stick it back in my to-do list. And I'm going to select on my to-do list now, selecting the white space again underneath where it says M1-7. I'm going to put down cannot inspect. And the reason is I need an HVAC tech. Can't do without my HVAC tech, and I'm going to select cannot inspect now right above there. And now it says there cannot inspect just now, so I can't inspect that device. Let's take a look at what that does to our report by going to the top left menu, go into the report. Let's preview that report. I'm going to scroll down. First of all, let's take a look at our AHU shutdown. We've got one device. It says passed 0, right? Failed 0. And there were no other failures in there. We've got cannot inspect over there is 1, and that's next to the AHU shutdown there. Let's scroll down farther and take a look at what our batteries look like. Here's our panels, right? We'll get down to the batteries. There's our batteries. And you can see that there's this battery, the very first one, is passed. Second one in blue here is passed after repair. And there's our notes over here that says reason for failure, expired date code. Resolution, replace batteries, two 12-volt, 12 amp hour batteries and retested batteries.